Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's Workshop, and today I'm going to show you how to repair the spigot on a rain barrel. And the tools you're going to need is a crescent wrench, a little mini ratchet with a 8mm socket, and that's for the hose clamp. That's going to go here on this end of a garden hose, and just going to go right over that when I'm done. You're also going to need some purple primer cleaner, which is for the hole in the drum to clean the threads, and also makes the PVC cement adhere better. Okay, and the PVC cement is going to go on the threads of this end of the hose, and then I'm going to thread it on there and give it about 30 seconds to a minute in order for it to cure. And then I'm going to attach the spigot, which is this one here, which I've also soldered a 1/2 inch copper piece. It's about almost 2 inches long, and this is going to slide right inside the hose with the clamp. Tighten it down, and that's how it's going to work. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and move on over to the other side there and apply the PVC cement on here and go ahead and put this on there. Okay. Alright, so you just take your PVC cement, put it on the threads. Now, don't put this too close to your face because it has a strong odor, and some people can't take that. And being outside, it should be okay because you got some fresh air. So I got a good amount on there. Okay. Make sure you cap this back because this needs to stay sealed, otherwise it's going to harden up on you, and you don't want that to happen. So basically just go ahead and start threading it back in there, like so. And once it gets really tight, that's where the crescent wrench comes in. And you want to make sure that it goes in quite the distance. And so just like that. Now sometimes it tends to want to not go in straight, so you might have to back off and start all over again. But once you get it going and it grabs, okay. Let's try this again. It wants to have its own mind, but when you're working with thin plastic, this is what happens, because sometimes it doesn't go on as straight as you want it to. Okay. Let's see if that. That did it. Let's see. Yep, it's going on a lot more straighter than before. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is just go ahead and add some more cement on there. That way, when I tighten this down, it's going to go ahead and cinch down on it and make a good seal. slide the clamp over the hose. Like this. Take your spigot. Make sure it's facing, this part is facing down so that you clamp it on there. Put it on there straight. Just eyeball it like that. And then go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, show you what it looks like. As you can see, now you have your spigot coming out over here. There's your little ball valve for turning on and off. Okay, and basically you want to set the drum on 2 cinder blocks so that it's high enough that you can get a bucket underneath. Okay, and that's it. Hope you like this video. Go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.